Welcome to week 8. Week 8 in our course is designed to be a catch-up point, a bit of a, I don't want to call it a bit of a break because you'll each have a lot of work to do, whether in this class or other classes. But I know some of you are just coming off of midterms in some of your other courses, and it's a busy time, and so week 8 for us is a time to take our collective breath and get ready for the last push of the semester. And so there is just one topic this week, and that will be ads and ad groups. And you'll have a discussion board and then your weekly reflection. So a nice simple week coming off of a busy time, and the coming weeks will certainly be a busy time in the course. So this is a good time to make sure things are polished up in your business, start to tie up some of those loose ends. From here on out, we're really focusing on marketing, whereas the first half of the semester we're focused on business creation, and creating a legal entity, deciding on a business. All of that is now behind us. We have a business and we can begin to promote it. So let's go into the assignment, ads and ad groups. And you will begin to write your first ad for Google Ads. There's a lot of content out there about how to write great text ads. There's this information you can look online. There's seemingly endless opinions on how to write an effective Google ad. So for the assignment, you'll want to actually write your ad and rewrite it using the guidance you see on here on how to write great text ads. So and then once you have that rewritten ad, you'll explain one concept or principle from the Reading Write Successful Text Ads listed above. Writing text ads is a continually improving process. Nobody comes in and just nails it on the first time and doesn't make an effort to improve in order to have long-term success. It takes a little while to understand what your customers will respond to. I will say this about writing great text ads. You want something to capture your reader's attention, and so you want to be able to fulfill a need, and that's where an advertisement starts. Second, after catching their attention by showing them you can fulfill an important need to them, ads are about integrity. Can you deliver on what you promise in this? And so keep that in mind, as I still feel that advertising in this day and age comes back to integrity. I'll see ads all the time that just simply don't deliver on what they promise, especially an online ad. So make sure you can catch their attention, but much more importantly than that, make sure you can deliver on that. And the visitor will be judging your integrity from the very beginning based on that advertisement. If you want them to ultimately trust you enough to make a purchase, you've got to deliver. So that's my advice on ads and ad groups. This will just be a Word document submission. Again, fairly simple this week with the discussion board and the reflection. Let me know if there are any questions or concerns. I'd be happy to help out in your creation of your Google Ads.